Hello everyone, Good Investor here. I hope you're having a blast day. Wanted to drop this brand new video. It is going to be about a couple of news around Ethereum and cryptocurrencies as well as Doge as well. So very big news, guys. Big things happening in the market, in the crypto industry. Very excited to share it with you. But before I do that, I just wanted to ask you guys, in case you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to the channel. It will absolutely help the channel grow and I would really appreciate it. So let's deep dive into the video right away. And here, as we can see, Ethereum's price has been a blast for the past couple of days. And today they reached another all-time high of past $3,400, which is amazing. And it did drop a little bit, but that is not an issue at all. And it does happen from time to time. But it reaching $3,400 should tell you a lot about crypto industry, that it is gaining. In 2021, it's going to be a year for crypto, and Ethereum is going to be a major player there, including Doge and other currencies. So as we can see here, throughout the day, they had a massive blast here, massive journey, and within a week, they were actually up. And if we go to Robinhood right now to see their growth within a week, we can see that they are up by 32% within a week only. And today they were up by around 13%, which is amazing. And it has been actually turned into other cryptos as well, such as Doge. And as we can see here, Doge's price actually within a week were up by 55%, which is ridiculous for a coin that is known to be a joke. I mean, nobody's believing that, but here we go. Numbers are here, and we can see that there is a lot of growth potential for this coin. And as we were talking about it going to $1, it seems to be real, and I did cover it in a previous video. I definitely do believe that it will hit $1 sooner or later. But at the end of the day, I think everyone needs to be a little cautious on what they're signing up, because there's some precautions that people need to be aware of. But overall, will it reach to $1? I'm absolutely supportive of that. So if we can see here, Doge actually hit around 16% within a day, which is amazing. And I think this trend will keep up as we are going, because the coin already saw its dip, as we can see from here, from April 10th. There was uptrend and then there was a dip. So people think that this was the worst thing that could happen, and now we can see that the trend is going up. So amazing news in the crypto industry. And if we go to this article right now, and we can see that this financial advisor is actually talking about Ethereum reaching to $5,000. I don't think this is a joke at all. I mean, $5,000 is very possible, and their price target is actually for this week. So I'm very excited where we're going. And I think it is possible for a number of reasons. And one of them is actually mentioned here, that Ethereum is already years ahead of Bitcoin. So Ethereum is way better than Bitcoin. And the only thing they're lacking is the price and fame. Price and fame is something that is very easily to get as far as the technology is working, which is becoming a reason. So right now, there's also another bullish case that the supply of Ethereum has also been dropping amid increased demand, and businesses have been investing in startups that revolve around Ethereum, including such big names as MasterCard, UBS, and JP Morgan. So a lot of big things happening in the market. And right now they're literally saying that, I mean, if you invest $1,000 in 2015, it would be worth $4.7 million. But come on, guys. I mean, we can't do that to you, and people can't do this. I mean, nobody knew it at that time, and nobody wants to feel bad like that. But at the end of the day, there we go. There's a fact. So I don't know if you like it or not. But if we trended next to what do I hold right now, I wanted to share it here. And I use BlockFi to invest on Ethereum. And we can see here that I am invested around $4,000 split between Bitcoin and Ethereum. And the majority goes to Ethereum right now with investment of $2,000. And that $2,000 actually appreciated to $2,600 within actually a couple of weeks, which is phenomenal. When I say a couple of weeks, I literally mean 2 weeks. So that is amazing. And I'm very excited where we're going. And $600 is just very sweet gain that I love. I use BlockFi for investing. And in case you guys are interested, I'll drop the link down, and you can sign up and gain up to $250 on either Bitcoin or Ethereum, whichever you choose. So definitely a great perk. So make sure you're taking advantage of that. So if we move to here, going to what Mark Cuban actually talked about Dogecoin, and he is actually being very bullish on the coin, as we know, and their company is already accepting Dogecoin, which is a very big thing. And they're actually mentioning the biggest pain point of Dogecoin, which is the annual inflation rate, meaning a lot more Doge being produced every year. So definitely something that people need to be avoiding. But here, Mark Cuban literally says that the annual inflation is actually something that could be avoided depending on the utility. So when utility means the acceptance, and the more people use it, that means the more utility, and inflation could be controlled somehow over there as far as people are trading this coin. So he says that more and more companies are accepting Dogecoin, and that is actually a very big news in case you are interested on looking specifically on the utility side. And as you can see, that a lot of companies are actually gaining that and accepting it. So very big news out there. So just wanted to make sure I keep it short and quick, and I wanted to share these news. Let me know what you guys think. If you are still bullish on Dogecoin, on cryptocurrency, love to hear your opinion on that, and I'll talk to you later.